Hi, Acadiana. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Happy Tuesday to you. Hopefully you had a nice start to your work week. It's going to be another hot day again with a couple of isolated showers, but as we progress through the week, it looks like things will get drier, but our temperatures are still going to stay at or above normal. Quick look at our sky cam here this morning. We are cloud free this time around, so it is going to be a pretty day with a mix of sun and clouds, but still with low pressure in place and an old frontal boundary in place as well. Could see enough daytime heating to kick off one or two isolated showers or thunderstorms. On the freeways this morning, we're looking okay. We'd have dry roadways right now, so your morning commute should not be affected by weather concerns this time around. And for everybody heading off to class, 74 degrees at the bus stop this morning and should be in the upper 80s later this afternoon, although there will be a few widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures are fairly mild across Acadiana, most of the region in the 70s with a few 60s across the northern tier of Acadiana, and just an isolated shower or two closer to the coast. We'll see a bit more of that activity increasing as we head through the day. More of the rains are off the Florida coast where that frontal boundary is kind of draped and it extends westward across Louisiana. And low pressure still spinning, upper level low, lower level parts of the atmosphere, low pressure as well. Some of that associated with Francine, and then what's left of potential tropical cyclone number 8, which was over the Carolina coastline, did not make it to tropical storm status and therefore is just kind of a remnant low pressure area. But the upper trough is going to kind of pick up that as well as what's left of Francine and scoot it off to the east. So we're going to be seeing chances for rain lowering as we go into the mid part of the week, and more of a trough digging out in the west is also going to force more of a ridge over us here in the lower parts of the United States. So with that blocking pattern in place, we'll see low rain chances, but temperatures will be on the warm side. So there is that what's left of PTC number 8 and also what's left of Francine. All that is going to kind of get absorbed into one large trough that's going to stay over the east coast of the U.S. and most of the rains will stay through the Carolinas, but again with some daytime heating, can't rule out a few isolated showers and thunderstorms. And for our friends in the offshore waters, a relatively quiet day with west winds about 5 to 10 knots and seas only running about 1 to 2 feet. Gulf of Mexico will remain rather quiet today, as well as much of the east coast with the heavy rains left over from PTC number 8. And then farther out in the Atlantic, we still have Tropical Depression Gordon that's going to stay out there for a number of days, but it does have a chance of becoming a tropical storm once again, moving to the north, and we won't see any issues with Tropical Depression or what may regain strength as Tropical Storm Gordon. But there are some indications that there's going to be some development perhaps over the western part of the Caribbean, not within the next 7 days, which is why we're not seeing anything here on the National Hurricane Center's forecast. But we're talking about mid to late next week where we could see some development. And we're going to talk more about that in Let's Talk Tropics, as we had a couple of models that were in agreement, or at least partial agreement in the extended forecast, and another one seems to be coming on board. So that might be a trend that we'll have to watch over the next several days. 90 your high today with partly cloudy skies. Again, 1 or 2 isolated showers or thunderstorms. Then as high pressure starts to build in for the mid and latter part of the week, it looks like the rain chances will be dropping off, but the temperatures are going to be staying at or above normal with highs in the low 90s, nighttime temperatures in the lower 70s. Well, I hope you enjoy Acadiana weather today. If you do, please like this video, also subscribe to my channel, and also turn on those notifications and tell your friends as well that I'm here and got your daily forecast each and every day. And of course, don't forget to follow my social media pages on Facebook, X, and of course, you've already found me right here on YouTube. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. If I don't see you live at noon for Let's Talk Tropics, I'll see you on Wednesday. Have a great day.